Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Startup Management interface. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager, then click Startup. If you're on macOS, open System Settings General Login Items. You need admin rights for some changes, so authenticate when asked. This prevents locked entries from blocking edits. Once the list is visible, sort by startup impact or order to see high-impact programs first, because removing heavy items improves boot speed more than trimming lightweight helpers. Now make deliberate changes. Disable non-essential apps by selecting them and choosing Disable on Windows, or remove from login items on macOS. For deeper control, edit services via Services, MSC or msconfig, but be cautious. Disabling a crucial service can break features. On macOS, inspect ~library/launch agents and /library/launch daemons for persistent items. Once done, restart to test. If you're unsure about a process, search the exact process name first. That reduces finish by restarting and observing whether boot time and system behavior improved. If a needed function is missing, re-enable the last change to isolate the cause. Make one change at a time so you can identify the offender. If the system won't boot normally, use safe mode to undo edits or run system, restore /time machine. One key troubleshooting tip. Always note the exact entry name before deleting so you can restore settings or reinstall the app if disabling it caused unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.